As we all know, there's a lot to do in Joplin and along Route 66, but this week, National Tourism Week, is a chance to highlight that for people not from the area. KOAM's Joplin Banks spoke with a group of tourists from the Czech Republic about their adventures.
This week marks the start of National Tourism Week. Here in the 4 states, we have an attraction that draws people from all over the world, that being historic Route 66. Today in Joplin, we had a group all the way from the Czech Republic.
Route 66 reaches across 8 different states over the span of 2,400 miles, and our group from the Czech Republic will be making that trek, starting in Illinois and ending in Santa Monica, California.
The tours are led by Zdeněk Jurásek, president of the Czech Republic Route 66 Association. He's made the journey 32 times, and back home he has a rock radio station that plays music inspired by the route.
We had a communism era, and we are not allowed to travel to the Western countries and to America, and we always wished to visit United States and especially Route 66, and a lot of people here are fulfilling their lifelong dream.
When I asked Zdeněk what his favorite site on Route 66 was, he cannot pick just one.
Oh no, I have no favor on Route 66 because the favor is all Route 66 together. No place are. I cannot prefer any place. All is good together.
According to Patrick Tuttle, director of the Joplin Business Convention Bureau, pre-pandemic 12 to 15,000 tourists from Europe would visit Route 66. He's hoping to see those numbers again as we move past the pandemic. And along with that, our friends from the Czech Republic will too.
In Joplin, Joplin Banks, KOAM News.
Certainly a reminder some of the things we take for granted are worth seeing again. The president of the Czech Route 66 Association will make the trip back across Route 66 later this month, starting in California and ending in Illinois. A McDonald County Elementary School is working to increase enrollment of preschoolers and kindergarten-age children. White Rock Elementary in Pineville says kindergarten enrollment is down this year compared to most years. Now teachers are reaching out to parents of young kids to make sure their students are enrolled. School officials say it's important to know class sizes early so educators can plan ahead.
For kindergarten, it's important to know those numbers in the spring so that we can plan for class sizes and the number of classes that we need in the fall. It also gives parents the opportunity to meet the teachers before school starts in the fall so that they have a face to a name when they maybe see a welcome postcard in the mail over the summer.
Experts also say kids in early childhood education programs usually have improved social skills and do better in school. Staff members at Meadowlark Elementary in Pittsburgh are showing their appreciation for one another. One staff member came up with a game called Survivor for teachers and staff to play this week. Each day, staff members spin a wheel with different challenges on it for prizes. Those challenges include things like recreating pictures of animals, leaving a nice note for someone, or doing a dance.
Make it a positive atmosphere, and in our building it's not just our teachers that are participating, it's any of our staff, whether that's our custodians or our cooks or our secretary or whomever, because we appreciate everything that everybody does for us.
At the end of the week, a grand prize will be handed out to the game's winner. Coming up, how a Kansas City couple is turning to social media to get justice after being robbed at gunpoint. Plus, a Tulsa County judge makes a ruling on the future of a reparations lawsuit over the Tulsa massacre.